Kara Mackenzie, how are you today? Good. Okay, so welcome to the ice cream shop. We're going to get started, and I want you to identify the correct definition for each word I show you, okay? Yes, you have lots of ice cream scoops. So guess what? After you build these ice cream cones, you get to build your very own ice cream waffle cone. Yay! Okay, let's get started. Cup. Is cup a small bowl container for drinking? Or is cup the sound that a dog makes? So this one, a small bowl-shaped container for drinking. That is correct. Good job.
They used in the olden days when God was here, they changed out the little bowls.
That's right. Good job. You're using your history that you're learning too. All right, let's leave those there right there for now. Okay, good job. So, Kara Mackenzie, cup. I know you have a hurt leg, don't you? Yeah, let's keep that right there. So, is cup a measurement used in cooking, or is that part of a tree? Point for me. Measurement used in cooking? That's correct. So, you just made your very first ice cream cone. So, now you get to make your very first ice cream cone. Which color would you like?
Pink.
Pink. Okay, so build.
Where's the blue?
Oh yeah, there is a blue as well.
And where's the scoopers?
The scoopers are right here. Would you like to use a scooper? Okay, here's a scooper. Since it matches your ice cream cone. All right, so you build your ice cream cone, and we're gonna then start on our next word.
This time I'm going to use the only ones in here.
I like it. Good job, Kara Mackenzie. Okay. All right, that's very good. All right, put your ice cream scooper back, and I'm gonna put this right over here. Or actually, we're just gonna empty it right back out.
Because the chili's mixed anyway.
Yeah, it's already mixed, so good job. Okay, Kara Mackenzie, bark. Is bark part of it? Oh, thank you. We gotta pay attention to our words, okay? Is bark part of a tree? Or is bark to throw a ball down an alley? Point for me. Is bark part of a tree or to throw a ball down an alley? Bark is part of a tree. Great job. Is bark the sound a dog makes? Or is bark to move an object up and down? You can point right here for me. Bark is a sound a dog makes or move an object. Good. All right, you know what that means. You completed your next ice cream cone. And now you get to build your very own again. Which color would you like this time? Blue.
This time I'm going to only do the kind of greens.
Good job.
It's going to be all greens.
Good job. You're doing great. All right, how many more are you going to put in there?
I'm going to put all the greens.
The green.
Yellow and one last green. And then I'm going to put one little pink on the top.
Beautiful. All right, let me see. All right, you completed your next waffle cone. Now we'll pour it right back out. Hi, sweetheart. Are you having fun in therapy today? Good. I'm having fun too. Okay, so our next one. Bowl, Kara Mackenzie. Is bowl a tremble or quiver? Or is bowl a round, deep dish? Point for me. Bowl is a round, deep dish. Good job. And is bowl to move an object up and down, or is bowl to throw a ball down an alley? Point for me. To move an object up and down, or to throw a ball down an alley? To throw a ball down an alley. All right, girl, you completed that third one. Good job. I'm so proud of you. All right, and let's choose again which kind of ice cream cone we want to make.
Yellow.
Yellow. Oh, we forgot one. All right, build that one and we'll get Moving to our next word.
I'm going to do all the purple ones.
Good job. You're going to do all the purple this time? Good job. This is a pretty fun ice cream shop. You need to build your own stuff, girl. We're getting so close. We're about halfway through with our words.
Mary.
Yes, sweetie?
I'm sorting them.
Oh, you're going to sort them real quick?
Yeah.
Okay, I can help you. We'll put the yellow in here.
And the green in the blue place.
And the pink, purple, green.
There's not that much.
Alright, let's finish up this ice cream cone so we can move on.
We need it.
Alright, good job. Let's pour them back in here and you made your next one. This is some yummy ice cream. Okay, Kara Mackenzie. Is shake to tremble or quiver, or is shake to fasten or close securely?
Tremble and general.
So is this one tremble or quiver? Okay, good job. Alrighty. So, is shake, Kara Mackenzie, is shake the opening of the pants, or is shake, let me see here. Shake, shake, shake. Or is shake to move an object up and down? Point for me. Identify the correct one. So is shake opening of the pants or move an object up and down?
Up and down.
Move an object up and down to shake it. That's correct.
Like this.
Like that. That's right. Good job. Shake, 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 shake. Alrighty. Okay, so we finished our next one, so you get to build another ice cream cone. Which one would you like this time? Pink. All right, why don't you put about 4 ice cream scoops in that one?
Oh, yeah.
I think 4 would be good in that one.
You make one, too.
Oh, I will in just a second. But you're doing a good job.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
And
Yay!
one of these. It's
6.
kind of neon.
Ooh, that's a really pretty one.
It's like neon color.
All right, now why don't you pour them back into the bowls?
Let me.
Here. There we go. We'll organize them back. How fun is that? Okay, good job. All right, let's look at our next one. Okay, so this is a really cool one, a seal. I know you've seen a seal before. Okay, a seal. Is a seal a fish-eating aquatic mammal, or is seal opening of the pants? Point for me. Is it still recording? Let's see, we're good. It is still recording. Okay, so seal. Is seal a fish-eating aquatic mammal or opening of the pants? Which one is it? A fish-eating aquatic. Good job.
Because I see them. I see everybody. I see these people in like the place where at the zoo.
Yeah.
So they people walk in and give them this fishes. It's just like they do with the penguins. I like the penguins.
The penguins are really cute too, but that's right. You do see this at a zoo, don't you? A seal?
Did you get to see the new baby elephant?
I haven't, but I hope I get to really, really soon.
Have the rhinos come down?
I think the rhinos have come out. We'll have to go maybe take a trip to the zoo or your school will. Okay, so Kara Mackenzie, is a seal opening... is a seal an insect, or is a seal fasten or closed securely? Fasten or good choice. All right, you built another ice cream cone. You are so good at this.
I'm gonna give the seal 7.
You're gonna give this seal something. So, what ice cream cone would you like to build this time? Green. All right.
I'm gonna put all these in.
All right, you put all those in. You're doing a great job. You did the same color. Wow.
And falling out color.
Ooh, now they're gonna fall out. Okay, good job. Let me have that one back and we'll keep on moving. All right, sit up with me so we can focus. We're doing so good. Okay, Kara Mackenzie, so blue. Blue. Is blue a color or is blue an insect? Will you point to the right one for me? A color or an insect? A color. You are so...
Blue was one of our math testing and in our spelling test.
Yeah, it was part of your spelling test. That's really cool.
It was a little hard because
yeah,
ooh, and it sounds like an O, but it's really a U.
It is really a U, but you would think you'd put an O, right? But blue, ooh. Good job. Okay, so is blue, Kara Mackenzie? So we know it's a color, but is blue like move through the air, or is that like feeling sad when it's blue? Feeling sad or move through the air?
It's like you're feeling sad because blue means it's another word for sad. Like because you're feeling blue when you're sad.
Like your face kind of feels blue.
Yeah, and you're crying, and that's your blue.
Awesome job. That's really good.
You can have blue or clear tears, but mostly a kind of clear.
Clear. That's right. Okay. You built your next ice cream cone. I'm so proud of you today, Kara Mackenzie. And now, oh my goodness, you get to help me build another ice cream cone here at the shop.
This time I want you to build one.
Okay, I'll build one with you.
Okay.
All right, I think I'm just going to use my hand. Let's see. I'm going to do some purple, do some pink, and I think I'm going to do a couple of yellow. What do you think about mine? Do you like it?
I did the same colors.
Yay! Good job. Okay, now I'm going to pour mine out.
And yellow.
Oh my goodness, we only have a few words left.
3.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see.
Will come out.
Uh-oh, let me see if I can help you. Whoops. Okay, Kara Mackenzie. You're doing so good, and we're almost done. Okay, so pool. Is pool an area with water, or is pool something moves through the air?
It's kind of like you're in water because like it's a pool. It sounds like it's and it's another word for like pulling like a rope to get something, and it's like it's a pool for when you're like a swimming pool.
That's right. Good job. That's perfectly correct. Okay, I'm so proud of you. Okay, so Kara Mackenzie, pool. Is pool an opening of the pants? Or is pool a game played on a table with colored balls? This one might be a little trickier. I don't know if you know what this is yet.
Yeah.
Yeah, good job. A game played on a table. So they call it pool, where you stick the ball and it goes into a hole.
Is it like where you tug that rope? It's like one of those games that you tug the rope in which I was when you
I know what you're talking about. You're talking about like when you have a rope and you kind of pull it back and forth like the teens do. That's actually another meaning for pool, or like tug of war. That's like tug of war.
That's what we play at school.
Ooh, that's fun. Well, that's how you knew. Okay, Kara Mackenzie, fly. Oh, I'm sorry. You get to build one more ice cream cone.
Okay.
Oh, let's just choose one. Just choose one. Because you get to have 3 more turns. Pink? Okay, let's see what you put in your pink cone. I think it'd be cool to do all pink. Or all purple's really cool too.
No, not all purple. Purple and...
Purple and pink?
Yeah.
I like, those are my favorite.
Half purple and half pink.
Those are awesome.
And then one purple at the top. Like that.
Good job.
It's all falling.
Oh, be careful. Uh-oh. You okay? All right, grab those little scoops and we'll get them back in the container.
Okay.
You got it?
I'm like being like a slug on the floor.
You are a slug. Slugs move all around, don't they? Here, let me see if I can help you.
My hands are full.